Lucia, where did you run off to? Come on, let's go home.
Easy.
I sent her far beyond our reality into the dimensional gap. The exposure has surely consumed her flesh by now. To put it simply, the bitch is dead.
Rias Gremory.
What is it, Drake?
If you'd rather not die, you should leave this place immediately. As for you, devil, the one who calls himself Shalwa, you made a poor decision, and now you must perish!
His aura and power are incredible!